this particular one came from a company called Gem One. Boy, it's packed in there tightly anyway, I'll tell you that. There's one. There seems to be another one in here too. I'll take them both out. And, oh, good instructions. Instructions are always nice. And this is obviously a sliding tray. Yeah, it comes right out too if you need to take it out to clean it or take out what's in it. So it says install the 4 corner tubes. You tap those in there like that, and then on the top of the 4 tubes, you put the top tray. Like that. Boy, that's pretty simple. Very simple. And then handles, if you want. It says in here it's optional. You put the handles in the top, tap them down in there firmly. There's 2 or 3 hooks in here. That's kind of nice. If you don't want the handles, perhaps the handles are too high, they've even given you little plastic caps you can put down into those holes where the handles are on mine, to not just to keep dirt out, make it look better too. Okay, so there it is. That's our kitchen organizer. It works beauty. Yeah. So the bottom shelf, we got some of those large, heavy things that we use a lot. So if you want it, you can take this right out, clean it underneath it, put it back in. It's fantastic. Didn't need a handle up here because this doesn't slide. And secondly, at the back, the handle was too tall. Some ideas for your under sink cabinet, keep your wife happy and convenient, and the fantastic Gem One under sink organizer.